Hi, my name is Brent Tremblay and I'm with IDK Corporation, and we're here at ISE 2020 in Amsterdam, and we're looking at a couple new products from IDK that we have released this year. This is going to be our FDX2 line. We have both a 16 by 16, a 32 by 32, and soon a 64 by 64 chassis model with various input-output cards. As you can see, HDMI, HD-base-T, and 3G SDI on the input. Output side will have similar ones. You can also configure that with built-in scaler for fast switching or creating up to a 4x4 video wall. So for this product, it does support HD and UHD up to 4K 60 444 resolution. So this will be shipping a little later this year. If you'd like to look at or have some more information on these products, you can visit our website at www.idkav.com. Of course, you can also visit us at the show here at ISE. Thank you.